It's very quiet in here. Would you like to join us for this last EVP session at the end of the night? Please make your presence known. That's the meter.
The meter's chirping you.
Yes. We're at 71 degrees, steady.
I'm at 73 over here.
You were here with us earlier tonight. We thought we'd come back at the end of the night and visit you again.
Greg really did.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, it's barely even
There's a load
showing
on it.
up on the video.
There's a load on it. I just look back and it's dim. Can you shut off the flashlight like you did earlier tonight?
Meter stopped.
Yeah. You don't want to play with us? Okay, you're back.
Why don't you turn that flashlight off for us? Let us know you're here. Meter stopped again. Are you not interested in having us here?
Alright, we'll try the reverse. We'll turn the flashlight off and see if you can turn it on. You're awful quiet.
Will you please turn the flash to me?
Okay. Okay, there you go. So you're here. It's good to talk to you again. Glad you're back. I'll give you a different laser grid for this.
I should turn the red one on.
No, let's not make it upset now.
The big red grid.
Wait, the first time I ever got set up with the laser grid, you guys gave me the red one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got that thermal.
That's the right one.
That's what we're trying to protect you.
And then
That worked
you got
well.
that thermal of that thing right next to me.
Yeah, we're better next to you than on top of you.
It's gonna follow me around all night. Starting in that room.
You're here, not really playing too much, just kind of touching stuff here and there.
It's kind of been that way all night. You just kind of pick and choose.
Did that get dark out there? Did that dim?
I think so.
Up in the hallway.
Yeah, dimmed in the boiler room.
Who leaves a chair in the middle of the room?
Maybe that's what we
Kind of thought I felt a little bit of a temperature change over here, like along my legs. It kind of felt like it went down slightly.
Can you turn that flashlight off or on in the corner? Seems like somebody's hanging out back there. excretion hold.
Yeah. Yeah, K2 meter ain't even going off. No, nothing. I'm getting nothing. Check the mark here.
I think we're,
See you guys.
All right.
Take it easy. 15 in.
yeah, go ahead and,
Stop it.
let's go ahead and end the EVP session.
All right. EVP session number 5. Not sure which one it is in this room.
It's the,
Third in this one because we did 2.
oh, of course, we're turning stuff off in here. And there goes the light. And lights out.
Once you got the camera in the way from it.
Oh, exactly.
It's over there.
No.
Oh, the other one?
The one that I was using to see.
Did you already turn it off?
No, I didn't. Yeah, go ahead and stop it.
End the EVP session in the boiler room at the end of the night. First session at the end of the night. Bye.
And we're out.
And the lights come back on.
Of course it is.
You starting to have fun with us again?
Now that
When
we've
you did that?
turned the EVP off, the recorder.
So you don't want us to record you laughing at us? Oh, lights back on. And the lights on again. Yeah.
Every light in the house is on.
69.1.
Woohoo.
Curious. What time is it anyway?
What's that?
1:30.
What is it?
What's that?
1:30.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. 30 minutes before they shut this stuff down.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I mean, it's not as active as it was the first time we're down here. It's
No,
kind of
it's-
weird because usually all the shit hits the fan after midnight. You know?
Right. Yeah.
This is
Did
the
you hear that?
Yes.
I haven't, what was that?
Is there somebody out there? I heard a footstep.
I'm going mobile.
I've heard that like 3 times. Oh my God, really cool.
There's nobody back here. At least a person.
He's definitely like, not like a clutch.
Ain't nobody in here.
Did you bring a friend? Person that's messing with the flashlight, did you bring a friend down here?
Oh, it's 69.
Lights out in here now.